guys, welcome to another fun activity. Today we're going to make a piñata. And because I'm from El Salvador, a country, I make piñatas every birthday for me and for my parties. These are the things that we need. So first we need flour and water to make the paste. Then we need a big balloon that goes like about this big or bigger, but not a little balloon. And we also need Vaseline to put around the balloon. And important is newspaper. And if you're wondering why newspaper, it's because we need to make the piñata strong, so if we hit it, then it will just be like a balloon and float away. So we don't want that, so it will be strong and good to hit. Let's get on with the making. Add water to the flour and mix with your hands until the lumps go. Keep adding water until the paste looks like runny yogurt. Blow your super big balloon up until it's the size you wanted it to be. I wanted it to be an apple. Cover the balloon with Vaseline to lubricate it, so when you pop the balloon, it comes away from the papier-mâché easily. Rip the paper into long strips. Cover the paper in the paste, wiping it on the side of the bowl so it's not too wet. Overlap the paper slightly so there are no gaps. Turn the balloon, ensuring all the balloon is covered. I do my first layer using text upwards and my second layer using white paper so I can see where I need to cover. On the second layer, I don't use much paste as the first layer is still wet. Leave the papier-mâché to dry for a day or two until it's hard. Then do 2 more layers, one with the text upwards. And the second one, white upwards. ask an adult to pop the balloon and to cut the door out. Make sure the door is little. You can also ask an adult if you're not that confident making a hanger. So ask an adult to make a hanger to fit through the hole. Now for the fun part. So we'll put some sweeties. We'll also put some bamboo straws in because I'm having a nature party, so I'll put reusable things in. Now we'll use silicone popsicle molds, so we'll put them in as well. I also added in bamboo toothbrushes because they're decomposable when you just throw them away. Now we'll use paper, so we'll cover the door and strengthen the door with papier-mâché. We also cover the hanger. Now we make the stalk. With our ruler, we will measure 13.5. So mark a point on the paper. Then on the other side, we'll mark 15.5. So now we'll just roll it up and then use sellotape to stick it together so it's all secure. Now we attach the stalk to the piñata with paper sellotape. Now, the best way to cover a piñata is with crepe paper, but here I use tissue paper. It's very fragile. Now with our ruler, we'll mark 10 centimeters from the paper. With your pen, mark it, and then we'll use our ruler on the other side of the paper to mark it again 10 centimeters so we can line it up. Now cut the line out. Cut out strips, but don't cut them out fully, or then it won't be easier to put on the piñata. Make sure you cut out the sides, which are folded, so you can put those bits on the piñata. From our stalk, we'll put a line around and mark a space, which is the bottom of the piñata. Make sure the paper starts upwards and the other bit of the paper starts upwards as well. So we'll make our way up the piñata. Make a circle around the strips with glue and keep putting the strips of tissue paper around where the glue is placed so the tissue paper can stick on the piñata. Now with the leaves. We'll place the leaves where the stalk is and glue them on to the piñata, very close to the stalk. Now with the staple. The staple will go on the bottom of the piñata where you started to